that examination yesterday. See the first problem. If you have any doubt, immediately you can ask after completion of that question. So the first question is, study the diagram and identify the people who can speak only one language. Here we see that here the question is, identify who can speak only one language. Only one language. Now here this circle represents English. This circle represents Hindi. This circle represents Tamil. Here in this circle, these people are combination of English and Hindi. These people will study, will speak English and Tamil. These circle people will speak Tamil and Hindi. And this circle speak all these three languages. So these people only speak only one language. These people, and these people. That answer is K plus J plus I. K plus J plus I means option number B is the right answer. So one student give correct answer. Very good. Next. This is second problem. L stands for plus. M stands for minus. N stands for into, multiplication. P stands for divide by. Now 14, N means into 10, L means plus 42. P means divided by 2. M means minus 8. Here compulsory you follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. B stands for bracket, M stands for, O stands for half, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. You follow that one. Now 2 1 jar, 2 21 jar. Now 14 to 10, 140. Now 21 minus 8. So 21 minus 8 is 13. 140 plus 13, 153. Option number C is the right answer. So 150, the some of the students give correct answer. 83 is the wrong answer. Next. A is brother of B, B is brother of C, D is father of A. Based on this three statements, which of the following statement cannot be definitely true? A is brother of B, B is brother of C, D is father of A. D is father of A. Based on this statement, which of the following statements cannot be definitely true? Now, B is son of D. Yes. A is brother of C. Yes. C is brother of A. And also here we see B is brother of A. Yes. But here we won't know the gender of C. So that's why C is brother of A. We can't say that one. So option number C is the right answer. So student give correct answer. Next, another question. The given figure, N of A value is 20. N of U, this total N of U value is 50. N of C value is 10. And N of A intersection B equal to 5. So what is the value of N of B? So how to find N of B? N of B equal to this total. Total value is N of A, N of U. From this N of U, subtract this value. That value is here. We subtract here. We subtract that value. n of u minus subtract n of from this n of u subtract this one n of a minus n of a. So this total completed, but we add this one. We add this part. This part is n of a intersection b. Once again, listen. Whenever we want to find n of b, this n of from this n of u, subtract n of a, but we need this part. This part is also included in b. So that's why we add that one. N of u value is 5 minus n of a value is 20. N of a intersection b value is n of a intersection b value is 5. N of u value is 50. 50 minus 20, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Option number A is the right answer. A is the right answer, 35. Next. Next one. Pointing to a photograph, Bajpai said, he is the son of the only daughter of the father of my brother. Now, here half of is come back side. Who said here? Bajpai said. Bajpai, brother. Brother's father, father. Father's daughter, sister. Sister's son, nephew. Sister's son is nephew. Now, sister's son is nephew. Nephew for the said person. Now, the question is, Bajpai is related to the man in the photograph. So, nephew means sister's son. So, now, this nephew to Bajpai means uncle. Uncle, mother side uncle. That's why we said that one is maternal uncle. So, maternal uncle is the right answer. Next. In a dinner party, both fish and meat were served. Some took only fish, some only meat. There were some vegetarians who did not accept either. The rest accepted both fish and meat. Which of the following Venn diagram correctly reflects this situation? Now, here we see that here, first here, some took only fish and some only meat. There were some vegetarians who did not accept either. So, vegetarians is separate. So, I think this one. The rest accepted both fish and meat. So, this here we see that. Now, this one is the separately they take vegetarian. So, meat and fish. Meat as well as fish. The rest accepted all this. So, this one is all accepted. So, option number 4 is the right answer. So, option number 4 is the right answer for that one. Option D. D is the right answer. D. So, this one is also wrong. So, now here, vegetarian, this one. So, this one is also wrong here. Both meat and they are not mixed up. So, this one is also wrong. So, now here once again listen. So, this is vegetarian. This is also not suitable. Both not mixed up. So, this is vegetarian. This is fish. This is meat. This is all the combination of all these things. So, option number 1 is the right answer. D is the right answer. D, option number D. Next. The following equation is incorrect. Which two signs should be interchanged to correct the equation? So which size we change to get that answer? We'll see that. We'll go through options. Divide by minus. We interchange. 18 into 123. So in place of divide, we write minus. Minus 10. Divided minus. I think he had 12 minus. So 12 divided by 3 minus 10 plus 2. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. 18 4 ja, 72. Minus 10 plus 2, 62 by plus 2, 64 we get. So option number A. So here, so in my PPT, here divide by, here minus missing. So here minus. You interchange this minus and divide by, we get the 64. So option number A is the right answer. So A is the right answer. Power Kumar, you correct answer. Next, a man pointing to a photograph says, the lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother. Now, the lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother. How is the lady in the photograph related to the man's sister who has no other sister? Now, here we see that. Here, a man pointing to a photograph. Man, here man speaking person is man. A lady in the photograph. Lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother. Nephew is sister or brother, son. So grandmother means maternal grandmother, mother side. Mother side means sister. Sister's mother is mother for the said person. Here this person's sister, this person. So this person's mother means so said person mother also same person. The man's mother. That lady is man's mother. Option number B is the right answer. So mother is the right answer. Next. In the following diagram, boys who are athletic now here this area here question is missing who are athletic and who are athletics and boys. Athletic means circle and boys. Boys is this one 2. So 2 is the right answer. 2 means option number B is the right answer. Next question. In a certain code, guide is written as 49132. Beam is written as 8257. Image is written as G4, U9, I1. So start with 1. I. Image means I. D3, E2. Here B, 8. E2, A5, M7. So ML is 7. So here 17. Starting to number is 17 means option number A is the right answer. 10 is the, for this 10. Question answer is A. Next. In a certain code language, 851 means good sweet fruit. 783 means good red rose. And 341 means rose and fruit. Now first 851, 783. Common number is 8. 8. Here also 8. So in this word's common word, some sweet fruit, good sweet fruit, good red rose. Common is good. 8 means good. Just to compare these two, 3 is the common. Here rose, here also rose. Rose is common. Compare these two, 1. Good sweet fruit, rose and fruit. Fruit means 1. Next. Now here, good means 8. Fruit means 1. Remaining speed means 5. So 5 means option number C is the right answer. Next. A certain code language, here PREMONITION is written as 6853049290. How will the word monitor be written in that code language? Here 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So P means 6. M here 1, 2, 3, fourth letter. 1, 2, 3, fourth letter is 3. 3, 0, 3. O means 0. N means 4. I means 9. 3049. 3049. T 2. Next R. Monitor O means 0. Next R means 5. R means second letter 8. 3049 208. Option number D is the right answer. $12.48 give correct answer. Next. If in a code language, could is written as BNTKC and margin is written as LZQFHM. Bolding be written in that code. Now here C minus 1 is B. That means backside letter. Backside letter O, backside letter is N, U backside letter is T, L backside letter is K, D backside letter is C. M backside letter is L, A backside letter is Z, R backside letter is Q, and so on. Now here also M backside L, O backside letter L, U backside letter T, L backside letter K, L and TK. So that is option number A is the right answer. Next. Hat is coded as JCB. Then what will gun be coded as? Now here HIJ just 2 letters value J. A B C the second letter value. After this one second letter, that means +2. So here +2, here +2. T U V. So like that G H I U V W N O P. IWP. IWP is option number B is the right answer. So up to this one, logical reasoning questions completed. Next we go for aptitude. Now we see that find the smallest number that should be added to 756,896 to make it divisible by 11. So here divisibility rule for 11 is sum of even places digit values minus sum of odd places digit values. So odd place digit values 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 9, 22. Even place 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 6, 19 minus 19 equal to 3. This difference value 3 is not divisible by 11. That means we add 3 number to this number, automatically that is divisible by 11. So option number A is the right answer. Next. Find the next number of the sequence. 2, 9, 28, 65, 126. Now, here we see that. Here 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1, 1 cube plus 1 value is 2, 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 1, 3 cube 27 plus 1, 28, 4 cube plus 1, 65, 5 cube 25 plus 1, 125 plus 1, 126, 6 cube 216 plus 1, 217. So option number D is the right answer. Just dividing x by 2736, we get 75 as remainder. When find the remainder when the same number is divisible by 24. So divide this 24 with this 2736. So 24 1 24, carry 3 33, 24 1 24, carry 9 96, 24 4 jan. So 114 times this divides 24. That means that number 2736 can be written as 114 into 24. 2736 divisible by 24. Now check that remainder divisible by 24 or not. 24 24 4 96, 24 3 jan. 3 4 12, 3 2 6 72. 72 means remainder will get how much value? 3. So 3 is the remainder. When we divide that number, the given number x, we get that much of remainder. So 3 is the right answer. Once again, Lisa, this x is divided by this number. I will get remainder 75. Now we don't know x value. So now this 24 divided with this number, this divisor value. If it is completely divisible, they should divide remainder. We get how much remainder? That remainder value is the remainder of this 24 divided the original number. So remainder is how much we get? 3. 3 is the right answer. The ratio of a rectangular park is 3:2. Atul takes 4 minutes to complete one round of the rectangular field at a speed of 24 kilometers. Find the area of the park. So Atul takes 4 minutes to complete one round. Complete one round means perimeter. So perimeter equal to 24 kilometers. We convert this one into meter per second. So 5 by 18 into 4 minutes. 4 into, we convert this one into seconds. 4 into 60. 6 3 ja, 6 10 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 8 ja, 8 5 ja 40. 40 into 10, 400. 400 into 4, 1600. 1600 meters. Perimeter. Perimeter formula in rectangle is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is 1600. Here this length and rectangular area and perimeter, that is the ratio of rectangular park area and these two, they are in the ratio 3:2. So 3 parts is area, 2 parts is ratio of rectangular park is. So ratio of rectangular park length and breadth 3:2. So 2 into 3x plus 2x equal to 1600. 2 1 2 800 jazz. 5x equal to 800. 5 1 5 1 30 5 6 0. X equal to 160 meters. 3x into 2x. 3x means 60 160 480 into 2x 320. Now multiply this 480 into 320. 8 16 to 4 8 plus 1 9. So here just here 3 8 24 3 4 12 plus 2 14 6 38 5 1 here 2 zeros. This is in meters, square meters, but we need in square kilometers. Square kilometers means we divide with 1 lakh meters. We get 0.1536 square meters. Option number D is the right answer. So 1248 give correct answer. Very good. Next. How much should a batsman score in his 11th innings to increase his current average of 50/2? Here, how much is current average of 50/2? So 11th innings to increase his current average 50/2 means 25. How much should batsman score in his 11th innings to increase his current average of 50/2? Now, here 50/2 means 50 plus 2. So you need 52 score. So in 11th innings, he creates how much score means 52. That means how to get this one means 10 innings score is 50. 10 into 50 plus, so that means 10 innings average is 50. So sum is 500. 11 innings means this 11 innings score 10 innings sum plus 11 innings score. So 11 innings average is 52. Sum is 11, 2 is 22, 11 5 is 55, 57, 572. So here 500 plus x equal to 572. 572. So x equal to 72. 72 means you need to score in 11th inning 72 runs. That is option number C is the right answer. B3 give correct answer. Next. The second and fifth term of arithmetic progression are 5 and 14 respectively. Find the 12th term of the series. In arithmetic progression, A is the first term, A plus D is the second term, A plus 2D is the third term, A plus 3D is the fourth term, A plus 4D is the fifth term, and so on. Here second term is given A plus D equal to 5. Fourth term, fifth term, A plus 4D equal to 14. Subtract this, minus 3D equal to 14 minus 5, minus 14 plus 5, minus 9. 3 1 3 3. D equal to 3. Now here you find, first here you find A value. So substitute D value this one. From this equation we get A equal to 2. Now 12th term formula is A plus 11D. A value is 2 plus 11 into 3. 33 plus 2, 35. Option number D is the right answer. Next. The average price of 5 articles is 12. The average price of another 3 articles is 16. What is the total average of 8 articles? 5 articles average is 12. Sum is 12 into 5, 60. 3 articles average is 16. Sum is 63 is 48. Total here 108. Total articles is 8. 108 by 8. 8 1 is 8. Carry to 28. 8 3 is 24. Carry 4 40. 8 5 is 13.5. Option number D is the right answer. Next. Length of side of a triangle is 16 meters, 20 meters, and 12 meters. Find its area. Here, 3 different sides is given. This one is A, B, C. First, semi-median to find out. Semi-median formula is A plus B plus C by 2. 16 plus 20, 36 plus 12, 48 by 2, 24. Area formula, square root of S into S minus A, 24 minus 16, 8. S minus B, 24 minus 24. 24 minus 12, S minus C, 24 minus 12, 12. Square root of, now 12 can be written as, 24 can be written as 8 3 ja, 8 into 4. Now 4 into 3. So in place of this 8 into 8, 8 square. Square root of 8 square is 8. 3 into 3, 3 square. Square root of 3 square value is 3. 4 into 4, 4 square. Square root of 4 square value is 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 into 8, 86. 86 square meters. Option number D is the right answer. 48, 1248 and B3 give correct answer. Next. The ratio of length and breadth of the rectangle is 5:2. Find the length of the rectangle if the ratio of the area and perimeter is 3:1. Here length and breadth, length is to breadth is 5:2. The length of the, find the length of the rectangle if the ratio of the area and perimeter is 3:1. Area formula is L into B is to, perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B equal to 5:2. Now here we observe that L into B, 5 into 2, 10, 10x divided by 5 plus 2, 7, 7x into 2, 14x equal to 5 by 2. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. Here x square. So 5x into 2x, 10x square divided by 5 plus 2, 7x into 2, 14x equal to 5 by 2. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. Now x square equal to 7 by 2. X square means x get cancel, x equal to 7 by 2. Now here we find here length of the rectangle. Length L equal to 5 into 5x, 7 by 2. So here 3:1. So 3:1 means 3 by 1. 3 by 1. Here we write wrong. So now 10x square divided by 14x. So 5 into 2, 10, 5x into 10, 2x, 10x square by divided by L plus B, 5 plus 2, 7, 7x equal to, here this ratio is 3:1, 3 by 1. Now 2 5 ja, 2 7 ja. Now x get cancelled, x equal to 7 3 is 21 by 5. Now let L equal to 5 parts, 5x. 5 into 21 by 5. 5 get cancelled, you get length value is 21. Option number C is the right answer. Now, the average visitors in a park is 240 on a weekdays, including Saturdays. On Sundays, the average visitors count is 510. Find the average visitors for a month of 30 days starting on a Sunday. So in any month, that month starts with Sunday means we get 5 Sundays. 5 into 510 plus remaining days is 25 days. 25 into 240. Average means divided by 30. Now, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, 0, 0, 25 4 is 100, 25 2 is 50, 60, divided by 30. 8,550 divided by 30. 0, 0 get cancelled. 3 1 is 3 2 is 6, carry 2, 25. 3 8 is 24, 1 5 50, 3 5 is 285. Option number B is the right answer. 240 give correct answer. Next. Out of seven members, the average of first 4 members is 4. But the average of last 4 members is also 4. Given that the average of 7 members is 3, find the fourth number. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 7 members. First 4 average is 4. Last 4 average is 4. This 7 members average is 3. We need this fourth number. First average plus second average means first sum. First sum is 4 into 4, 16. Second sum is 4 into 4, 16. Here total average is, here D repeated 2 times, means 2D we get. Total numbers to subtract total sum is 7 into 3, 21. So 32 minus 21, 11. So 11 is the right answer, option number C. So here 2D minus D, 1D subtracted, we get D. So 11 is the right answer. Next, 12th one. 1 rupee, 50 pies and 25 pies coins are kept together in the ratio of 8:5:3. The total amount is 112.50. Find the number of 25 pies coins. So take 25 here 1 rupee coins, how many is there? 8. So 1 into 8x plus 50 pies 5 parts. So 50 pies means 0.5 into 5x plus 25 coins means 0.25 rupees into how many parts is there? 3x equal to 112.50. This is 8x plus 2.5x 0.75x equal to 112.50. 10 here this is 1.25, 3.25, 11.25 x equal to 112.50. So x equal to 11250 divided by 1125. Here before two decimals we have here before two digits we have decimal. Here also before two digits we have decimal. So we remove the decimal. 25 4 ja 100, carry 12 125, 25 5 ja 25 4 ja 100, carry 12 125, 25 5 ja 0, 45 1 ja 45. So 45 1 ja 45 10 ja. So x equal to 10. Now here we find 25 pi coins. How many 25 pi coins parts is there? 3 parts. 3 into 10, 30. So option number A is the right answer. Next, the box code in English is twice the box code in science. Science is to English is science one part means English two parts. If the box code in English and math score is the ratio 2:3. English is to math 2:3. Now the total marks scored in all three subjects is 180. Now S is to E is to M. Here 2 common which we get this ratio is 1:2:3. Directly write it. Middle value same base. Otherwise we calculate. Cross, straight, cross. We get same value. 1:2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. Divide with 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3. We get same thing. Now total parts is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 parts value is total value is 180. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja, 0. One part value is 30. Here we find the size marks. In size we have how many parts? One part. One part value is how many marks? 30 marks. Option number C is the right answer. So be the correct answer. Next. Find the value of 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus and so on plus 100. Now for this one we are remaining two numbers also. 1 square value is 1, 2 square value is 4, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus and so on. This is sum of square. So subtract that one. -1 -4. Sum of squares formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 2. N values means 100 numbers in there. N into n plus 1, 101 plus into 2n plus 1. 2 into 100, 200 plus 1, 201. Divide by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Minus 1 minus 4. 3 2 ja, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21. Now 2 1 ja 250 ja. Now multiply this. 67 1 ja 67. 67. 250 minus 1 minus 4. Now 5 7 ja 35. 5 6 30, 33, 35, 38, 30, 33. 0, minus 1, minus 4. Subtract that one. Find the value of this sum of squares. Okay. Now subtract that one. This one is -5. Subtract -5. We get that value as 338,350, 5045. We get 45. So this is the value, but here not there that value. So there is no option. So this is the sum of squares formula. Sum of squares formula is Okay. Here once again, here we see the 9, here 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus the 25 plus 36 plus 49 plus 64 plus 81 plus 100. That means only 10 squares. That means 10 by value. 10 into 11 into 21. So n into n plus 1, 2n plus 21 by 6. 3 2 ja, 3 7 ja, 7 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 5 7 ja, 35. 35 into 11 minus 1 minus 4. 35 into 11, 11 5 is 55, 385 minus 5. That value is 380. So I configured this one. I take that is 100 up to 100 square. That one is wrong. So we get 380. This was 380 the right answer. Option number B is the right answer. Next. How many numbers of the following are completely divisible by 2, 5 and 10? Numbers are. To find LCM of 2, 5, 10. LCM of 2, 5, 10. So 10 is divisible by 2 and 5. That means LCM of 2, 5, 10 is 10. To find the numbers which are divisible by 10, that count is the numbers divisible by 2, 5 and 10. So this one is divisible by 10. Last digit 0 means that is divisible by 10. This one is also divisible by 10. This one is divisible by 10. This one is divisible by 10. This one is divisible by 10. Last digit 0. If any number we have last digit 0, that is automatically divisible by 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers is there. Option number B is the right answer. Cost is 9 rupees. This is equal to 120%. So 100% value is how much to find? So 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 5 ja, 2 6 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja. 5 3 ja 15 by 2. 15 by 2 means 7.5 rupees. So this is the original cost. This is the cost price. This is the selling price. That means for 7.5 rupees, we get how much of milk means? Pure milk means 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 means remaining how much is there? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 part is the profit. So that is 1:4. So option number B is the right answer. If you have the right answer. Okay, but once again, see this question. Find the ratio of milk and mixer sold. Sold means here first here where original price is 10 rupees. He sold 9 rupees per liter and he get 120%. 120% profit. That means in this 20% profit means 10 rupees, 20% profit means 2 rupees. So 2 rupees we subtract 7 rupees. For 7 rupees we get how much milk? For 10 rupees 1 liter means 7 rupees we get how much? How many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts milk. Otherwise, here. So here 9 rupees selling price. This is 120%. Now here you see that 100% value is how much? 0 0 get cancelled. 3 4 ja, 3 3 ja, 4 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja. 5 3 is 15 by 2. 7.5 rupees. This is one thing. Now, here we see that 7.5 rupees. We get how much of milk? 3/4 milk. 3/4 milk we get. Remaining is water. Otherwise, 3/4 milk here added to remaining 1/4. So 4 get cancelled. 3:1 is the ratio. So that is option number C is the right answer. Sorry for that wrong answer, but here once again listen. Original cost is 10 rupees. Here